Hello, this is Cyberdark to talk about Mastodon. Mastodon is a social media platform. It has security features on it, and it can protect your network and its privacy. Also, it has a tool suite, which is what it has is called GitHub. GitHub is like information. You can see like everything on their coding structure. All you gotta do is click on it and show what the coding structure looks like and how to configure it. If they have issues on site, and then how many reports it has. You can see a discussion on it, security policy active is right now. And it also has plans and education if you want to know. Let's go to education section, see what they have. It's Pack, the best developer tool free for students. GitHub campus experts trained to enrich the technology community at your school. For teacher toolbox, campus advisor, and classroom and campus programs for the whole school, everything you need, make it great. Pretty much like free to use. It's available for high school students, university, and boot camps. They have prices for it, but they have go to the student developer pack, which is free for students. And you got also training, which they'll also give you a price and plans. The company is like created in 2004, launched in 2014, and has pretty much a lot of different sponsors like AirVPN, Minitool, as seen on New York Times and NPR. It is for individuals, and you can sell anything online ad free. Mastodon for anyone who host your social media platform for your own infrastructure, and also you can change the rules of the game, write your own rules. You can just install the server if you like. The social media experience is more safer. It has anti-abuse tools and network structures that to like the codings and the strict code of conduct, like what you can and cannot do. And you can share information up to about 500 characters. You can use custom emojis, hide things behind spoiler warnings, and choose who sees a post. Mess it up, you can delete it and redo it again. It's relatively easy. I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. All you gotta do is get started. Alright, choose community. Every community is by independent organization by invite. You can talk to other communities, things from one account. For account. So these are categories you can choose from. General, regional, art, music, journalism, activism, LGBTQ, gaming, technology, academia, furry maybe talk about like animals and food. Let's hit the technology, see what happens. It'll take a while. It's pretty much easy to sign up. And then you choose like based on technology. Okay, it's English, non-social, which talk about further technology, networking, privacy, Linux, open to manage, Mastadon, community that's open to intro and technically and free and open resources. That's very good. All you gotta do is hit the join button, and pretty much some don't need to be signed up. You just hit the they have Cervezinska, Netherlands, Cyber. Okay. Let's say we want to join one, right? Relatively simple. Go inside, hit the join button. It'll relatively show up. Okay, Mastadon.org. Okay, let's create a username. I'll use one of my emails that work. Let's make the password a little bit easier. No, wait. Got a password. I'll try it again. Agree to term and condition. Okay, you can discover users, see what's happening. They also have a mobile app. You sign up, see what happens. Message has been sent. So go to your email and activate the email, and then you should be able to get it. Okay, let's say I want to try a different one. Okay, you can also learn about beer and free software lovers. It can be hosted in France. They have a lot of different locations. Just request an invite. No sign up required. See what they have. This one is Social Linux Pizza. Not pizza. Alright, pretty much the same platform. You just request an invite, log in. See what else they have. Technology, academia. Okay, let's go gaming. And gaming doesn't seem to have a lot because maybe not popular on their side, but which is the ginkgoseiko.town of 1,500 people. Each one they tell you like how many people already joined their group. Dutch, France, and it's mostly in their native language. So if you want the English one, check right there. You can browse the directory of the company. It's pretty much easy. Here's the browser directory. It should take about a few minutes to download. Alright, if you don't understand it, go to English. Translate it. Here's a person who likes it. Okay, these are the users they have online. 20 toots is mean tweets because like a Twitter, and you have a following section. And today the last active. How long they've been active? They have different users. Good anime drawings, no problem. Like over 1 million different types. See the picture, but it's just like the banner. If you want to contact them, you just stream at Gisco Town. Okay, so pretty much they give you the toots and replies, and let's say media. Okay, let's see what the media they have. Gisco Town is all about animes, just like who like Tohu Project since 2017. It's been a while. Has like lots of videos. Okay, this is the media. It's like just pictures. You can click it. It's like tell you about like upcoming Japanese games. Mostly like RPG type of games. Like what's trending on the. And you also got Lunatic Clear, Star MB, ask question. They have a Twitter page. They also have hashtags. You can follow them if you desire. Profile directory is right here. Mobile apps. Available Android, iOS, like Tusky, Subway 2, FediLab, Toot, Mast, Armordeck, Metatext. They have websites as well. Desktop, like Linux, The Desk, Hyperspace, Singy. They're all like computer cybersecurity websites. Alright, let's go back. Alright, what's about the company? You really like the history, which will take a few seconds. The administrator S. Umari has over 1,400 users who authorized status. The language is like in Japanese. So unless you can read Japanese, this is a website for you. Or you can go to the English one. But the Japanese one looks more intricate. Show like a professionalism. NSS is like a Japanese sing company. So they do voice animation and acting. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with everyone so they know about Mastadon and the social media platform. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.